Tell me about yourself.
Greetings, I am Kaycee Reese, a third-year business student from Tallahassee, Florida. I am a baseball player here, playing infield. I am a husband, a father, and I have good communication skills. I am very consistent when it comes down to work, and I'm very reliable, and I work very well with others.
What do you know about Ford Motor Company?
I know that Ford is headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan. I know there are about 201,000 employees, and I know that they have automobiles, luxury vehicles, and commercial vehicles, and their services are fixing the parts and doing leasing and services. And I know that they receive about $152 in revenue 2016.
Tell me about a time that you had to adapt to a difficult situation.
Oh, let me think. Okay, I got it. A time that I adapted to a difficult situation was when I was actually playing baseball and I hurt myself. And the coach relied on me to play through it or let him know something. So I went on about playing the game and I re-injured myself during the game, and I later told coach that I previously hurt myself before I re-injured myself. So a difficult situation was that he told me that next time I should let him know, and now that you facing the consequences, you could have avoided that by letting me know. And now I'm sitting for a whole year not playing baseball.
Give me an example of a time you had to contribute to a teamwork environment.
Okay. I recently had a class assignment group project on database, and my part of the assignment was to configure all the data that we needed and to see what all was required for the project. So my peers in the project were they have their own part, and my part was to get all the information and data. So I gathered all the information and put it in a certain group with the same data, and I organized it where they had different titles, and then it made it easier for my peers to get the job done and get the project done, and we got an A.
Okay. Give me an example of a time you introduced a new idea or procedure.
Okay. I'll take it back to baseball. Playing baseball, playing a tough team, and we could never stop the bunt, and we had to practice it because we couldn't do it during the game. They kept scoring with the bunt. So we later on in practice went over plays, and it still wasn't working. So I implemented my idea of making the third baseman, which fields the bunt all the time, scoot in more so it'll have a better advantage of getting the bunt. So with that being done, the next game they started bunting, and we got the out easy.
Okay. Give me an example of a time when you tried to accomplish something but failed.
Okay, I had a time where I went to an interview with Waffle House, and I was young then. I was in high school, and I didn't know anything. I came in with a polo shirt and some khaki shorts with my shirt being wrinkled. I thought it would be an easy interview because one of my peers told me, and I came in not knowing anything about Waffle House, and I didn't know any interview would teach. So once I got there, he didn't even ask me 2 questions. He asked me 1 question and said he was done. So
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
as a baseball player now, I see myself playing for the New York Yankees professionally. But if that doesn't work, I have a backup plan of trying to be an accountant in the Ford Motor Company.
Do you have any questions for our company? And if so, what are they?
Yes. I know that you're worldwide and your competitors are General Motors and Tesla Company and Toyota Company. What other problems do you all face as your competitors start to rely on their prices to get them more revenue and more customers, as your company relies on the services and parts you fix?
Okay, well, I do want to thank you for interviewing with our company, and hopefully you will hear from us soon. And best of luck in your future endeavors.
Thank you for having this opportunity.
You're welcome.
I look forward to staying in touch with you.
Okay.